In the event of a major business or academic disruption, SMU has technology resources to help you continue working or teaching. Begin by ensuring you have the necessary equipment to work remotely. This includes, at minimum, a high-speed internet connection and a Mac or PC that is up to date with security and feature updates. While optional, it can be useful to have a webcam and microphone for remote meetings. Webcams and headsets are available for departmental purchase from our tech store, located at smu.edu/techsales. If an employee does not have a computer to support remote work, please verify that there are no shared laptops within the department that could be used. Then, contact the help desk to determine if a loaner computer is available. Next, consider any special software that you have on your office computer that you would need remotely. Microsoft Office is available for free from office.smu.edu. Adobe applications are available as well, although faculty and staff are limited to 2 active installs at a time. Other software may be accessible via apps.smu. If you have questions about a specific software, please visit our website or call our help desk. Many SMU resources are available from off-campus without requiring a special VPN connection. However, there are a few resources where this will be necessary, including making a remote desktop connection to your office computer or to access any network drives, such as the V drive, T drive, etc. We are currently limited on the number of VPN licenses, so please only use this if it is necessary. More information on the VPN system is available at smu.edu/VPN. Please note, to remote into your office computer, you will also need to make some modifications on your computer. Please visit our website for instructions. To access your files, OIT recommends that you utilize cloud storage whenever possible. Box provides cloud-based storage that can be accessed securely from anywhere using a desktop or mobile device. It is recommended that you move any critical files you may need while working remotely to Box as soon as possible before you leave campus. More information on Box is available at smu.edu/box. When meeting remotely, we also offer several solutions for audio and video calls. Skype for Business can be used for audio and video conferences both on and off campus, and those who have received upgraded VoIP telephones can also make and receive phone calls using their SMU phone number on their computer remotely. Skype for Business smartphone app is also available for iOS and Android. If you still have the older PBX telephone, you can forward your line to your cell phone or another number by lifting the receiver, pressing *3, then dialing the number you wish to forward to. If you are still on an old PBX telephone and not currently on campus, you can contact the IT help desk to assist with transferring your phone to another number. For online meetings, Zoom is an excellent solution that provides video conferencing on desktops and mobile devices. Zoom can also record your sessions for easy storage and playback. For more information on using Zoom, visit smu.edu/Zoom. You can also use Microsoft Teams for team and group collaboration, as well as audio and video calls. More info for Teams is available at smu.edu/Teams. As always, the IT Help Desk is here to assist you whether you are working on campus or from home. The IT Help Desk will remain open for phone and email support during an extended campus closure. You can call the IT Help Desk at 214-768-4357. You can also send an email to help@smu.edu and a ticket will automatically be created for you. Our website is also an important resource for you while working remotely. Visit smu.edu/OIT for contact information, news, and documentation on all SMU OIT services.